It is 5:16. We'll call it 5:30 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday, March 25th. This is not my first time doing this video. I was just in the middle of going over how all of this has been making me feel today, and then I was talking about what time this like scattered white energy kind of started to chill out, and I realized that if it is almost 5:30 here, it should be around this, like in between the 3 and the 4 on this graph for me in this Eastern time zone. Do we have a stuck graph? It would make sense. It would make sense if we had another timeline jump in our near future. This felt so intense to me. I don't get headaches the way I do, the way I did today. I took acetaminophen, 600 milligrams, didn't touch that pain. It's been heavy in the sinus area, up in like the top of my head. My hair hurts. The back of my neck, my shoulders feel pressure. Sometimes I'm getting a little bit nauseous. My dog threw up this morning. My mom just told me that her dog threw up this morning. Check on your pets. My mom's stomach is all wonky and she's feeling exhausted. She said that her coworkers are complaining about massive headaches. So yeah, I was gonna discuss all of this and hopefully that it's gonna be chilling out and doing more of like the processing that integration energy does, because like I've stated before, this for me is more of a physical feeling when we get that white energy. The green for me is more emotional when we integrate. So this white has been rough on my physical body, but then as I'm trying to like find an area of when we could have been like feeling a little bit of relief, I noticed that yeah, it doesn't seem to be up to date. So either I just caught a little lapse in the graph and it's delayed or offline momentarily or something, or we could be going through it again. But I swear to you, the weirdness of the day-to-day realities are not stopping, so it would make sense if we had another little timeline jump in there. I also said this morning, and I'm staying true to it, that these drop downs of energy that are stimulating us are intersecting more and more with this horizontal energy that's newer on our graph, that is basically two timelines clashing into each other when they form those little squares or pockets. So stuff that's happening in one reality might not be happening in another, and we feel like we're losing our minds, but it's just a shift. It's a crazy shift that's hard to believe. I get it. But yeah, I guess stay tuned. Also, if you're feeling extra rough today, I did want to include that this is what our sun looks like right now. Here's two different ways of looking at it. It's the same thing, it's both our sun. Um, Earth is a lot smaller than the sun, so we're going to be around here. These are all pockets of energy. We are getting a lot of stuff shoved at the earth with these solar flares and stuff. The solar winds, the wonky weather, all that stuff. So take care of yourselves. If you are not feeling good, listen to your bodies. Rest, hydrate, eat good. If especially you're feeling like you're all over the place, eat grounding foods, food that you actually get from the ground, such as carrots and potatoes. It will help ground you back down into your current reality if you're just feeling like you're going a million miles an hour and you don't know like what the destination even is. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.